Have you ever thought why some cloth soaks all your sweat? Or have you ever thought why do we add detergent while washing our clothes? Now it is due to two effects. The first one is the capillary action, whereas the second one is surface tension. Now what is capillary and what is surface tension? Let us learn this with the help of an experiment.
Take a glass filled with liquid. Take another empty glass and place it beside the first glass. Now place tissue in such a manner that it is half inside the first glass and half inside the second glass, which is empty. Now slowly and steadily you will see that liquid is rising in the tissue paper and it is getting transferred to the second glass. Now this is due to capillary action and due to surface tension. Now what is surface tension? When force is applied per unit length, it is called as surface tension. Now how exactly surface tension is created or how it is formed? Basically there are two types of force. The first force is called as adhesive force and the second is called as cohesive force. Now if I'm going to talk about cohesive force is the force of attraction between molecules of the same material. Now in a liquid, what happens? The liquid molecule gets binded together due to cohesive force and forms a thin layer over the surface of the liquid. Now this thin layer is nothing but surface tension. So it creates a thin membrane on the surface, because of which we get a stretched membrane only on the surface of the liquid, and it is called as surface tension. Now the first thing responsible is the surface tension and the second thing is the capillary action. Now capillary is said to be rise in the level of the liquid inside the tube. Now how exactly liquid rises inside the tube? If we are going to place a glass rod inside a liquid container, then what happens? The liquid level inside the glass rod rises up to a certain level because the atmosphere applies pressure, that is called as atmospheric pressure, from the free surface of the liquid, resulting into rise in the liquid inside the tube, called as capillary action. Now this experiment holds both the concept of surface tension as well as capillary action. The liquid level rises in the second glass up to the level of the liquid in the first glass. After some time, you can see that the entire tissue gets wet and tissue is actually transferring liquid from the first glass to the other glass. Now this is called as transfer of liquid with the help of surface tension and capillary action. Now, where exactly this thing is used? This thing is used while designing or while manufacturing the cloth which absorbs the sweat. Whenever body sweats, the cloth absorbs the liquid. In the same manner, the liquid is getting transferred from the first glass to the second glass. Now that is the reason surface tension and capillary action holds a good place in day-to-day life. Now this was the first example. Now I want you all to give me 5 more examples from your day-to-day life which are related to surface tension and capillary action.